Welcome to this automation tutorials where we will show you how to streamline your lead management process using Make.com. Are you tired of manually tracking and following up on leads from your Facebook lead ads? Well, we have a solutions for you. In this tutorials, I'll guide you through the automating the entire lead management workflow using Make.com. Firstly, we will set up a trigger that detects whenever a new lead is created on Facebook lead ads. Then we will seamlessly connect with Google Contacts to automatically create a new contact for a lead. But wait, that's not enough. We will also utilize the Gmail to send a personalized email to lead, ensuring quick communication and engagement. Get ready to simplify your lead tracking and boost your conversation rates with the automated solution. So let's dive into in and see that how Make.com used to managing your leads perfectly. Watch closely as we unlock the potential of automation. So this is my scenario dashboard, and here I am going to show you how can I implement this. So you can see that as a triggered module, I am using this Facebook lead ads new lead module. So this module is basically to getting the new leads whenever the new lead is created. So how can I add this in my scenario dashboard? So I just going to replicate this scenario and show you how can you implement this scenario workflow. So you just need to click on this big plus icon to search your application. Let's search for Facebook over here. So here you can find this Facebook lead aid app. Just click on this. This app is containing multiple action and triggered module to performing the action on your Facebook. As per a requirement, you can choose any of these modules. So in our case, we just want to trigger our scenario whenever the new lead is created. So we can use this instant and asset level new lead module. So this module is nothing but triggers whenever a new lead is created in your Facebook lead. So let's put this in our scenario dashboard. After clicking on this and taking this to our scenario dashboard, you just need to stabilize the connection between Facebook lead ad and Make.com. After stabilizing the connection, you just need to add the webhook to this new lead module by clicking on this add button. After adding this module, you can see uh, after configuring these all the steps and establish the connection, you are good to go to getting the new lead whenever a lead is created in your Facebook lead. After doing this, I adding this Google contact search context module. So this search context module is on added to this scenario workflow to getting that contact is already available in our Google contact or not. So just click on this add another module and search for the Google contacts over here. After searching Google contacts application, here you can find this Google contact application. Just click on this Google contacts app is also listed the multiple action and triggered module to performing the action on your Google Contact. So as per requirement, you can choose any of these modules. So firstly, we are let's search for the search contacts. So when you try to search this search contact module, here you can find the search contact module. Just add this search contact module to your scenario dashboard, and you just need to stabilize the connection between Google Contacts and Make.com. After stabilizing the connection, you will see these options to configure your scenario. Here you can map in search query directly the email address coming from your Facebook lead if you want to search by the email address, or you can search it by any other value. When the Facebook lead ad is trigger with some data, here you can see all of the stuffs on data in this mappable panel, and you can map directly from this mappable panel through this search query. After doing this, you just need to click OK to save your changes. Now Google contact module is returning if that contact is this lead is already exists in your Google contact. If it doesn't exist, it not returning with any output bundle. After doing this, I just putting this router. You can see that the idea of putting this router to our scenario dashboard is to taking the execution in different route for creating a contact and updating a contact. If this search contact Google contact module is returning with some output bundle, it means that that particular lead is already exists in your Google contacts and needs to be update, not creating a contact in your Google contacts. So in that case, the execution is go through with this route and update a contacts and send an emails through the email address coming from our Facebook lead. And if the contact is not exist with this, not returning with any contact with this search contact module, the execution is go through with this route and create a contact and send an email accordingly. So to do so, we just needs to put this router over here. So how can I put this? You can put this router in your scenario dashboard. So just navigate to this flow control app. Just click on this. Here you can find this router module. Just click on this. You just need to add to this search contact module. And when you click on this plus icon, they executed in the two different route. So let's put this entire scenario little bit down. So after doing this, I just adding the another modules of Google Contacts is create a contact in this execution route. So I just click on this plus icon and go to the Google Contact app. Here I just search for the create a contact, for creating a contact, and after stabilizing the connection, I just needs to select the name, first name and family name and so on configurations of creating a context. So if you want to map the first name and all the stuffs, you can use this mappable panels to using the first name, family name, email address, phone number, and so on. So let's suppose you just want to put this first name as an first name coming from this search contact module, so or the Facebook lead module. So you can put this name to the first name fields directly with this drop down and this particular mappable panel. After configuring your scenario and after configuring this module, you just needs to click OK to save your changes. Now, this particular module is create a contact in your Google Contacts correctly, but the execution is still not going through with this execution, just because we are not putting any filter to show you how it recognize that the execution is go through with this route or this route. So we are putting the filter over here. Here you can find this total number of bundles is equals to 0. So just you just needs to click on this set up a filter module. Just click on set up a filter. Here you can put the conditions like that. So we just needs to put that to bundle order position or total number of bundles, sorry. So total number of bundle is equals to 0. If the total number of bundle is equals to 0, it means that that particular lead is not exist in your Google contacts and needs to be create in the Google contacts. So after doing this, all of the bundles that not containing or total number of bundle is equals to 0, that all bundles is go through with this route and create a context in your Google contacts. After doing this, I just put the email, Gmail, to send an email. Just click on this Gmail app and search for the send an email. So here you can find this send an email module. So this send an email module is nothing but sending an emails to a specified email address while configuring this module. So after stabilizing these connections, Gmail and Mac.com, you will see all of the configuration details here. Just click on this add and provide the email address you want to send with. So you can put that email address coming from your Facebook lead ad or coming from your search contact module in this required email address field, and you can put the subject and content accordingly. After configuring this module, you just need to click OK to save your changes, and now you are good to go to send an email to with this Gmail module. And you can do similarly, you can do this make the execution route for updating a contact and send an emails directly. So let's put the Google contact over here and update. Let's search for the update a contact module. And you just needs to put the contact ID over here. So here you can find the contact ID you can find from this Google contact search contact module. So here you can find this in mappable panel. This contact ID you can map by clicking on this or drag and drop. After doing this, you just need to click OK. And now you're good to go to update a contact accordingly. You just need to put the filter over here. Conditions like total number of bundle is not equals to. So in this case, if it's returning with zero bundle, it means that the contact is already existing in your Google contact and needs to be create a contact in your Google contact. Is if the total number of bundle is not equals to zero, it means that contact is already exist and needs to be updated. So the execution is go through with this route and updating a contact accordingly. After doing this, you can add the Gmail module as you use in the previous execution route. So let's use this Gmail and set up the email address coming from our this search contact module like that. And you can set the subject line and contact line accordingly. By integrating this scenario, we created a seamless system that automatically tracks leads, adds them to your Google contacts, and sends personalized email from effective follow-ups. I hope you found these tutorials helpful and inspiring. Feel free to experiment, customize, and optimize the automations to fit your specific needs. If you need further questions or ideas for future tutorials, please share them, comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for exciting automation tutorials. Thank you for joining me today. Happy automating.